Before replacing the mainboard of Ray5 miniS, remove the acrylic cover bottom plate. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the screws and remove the cover. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the 4 screws securing the motherboard. Remove the assembly cable from the Y-axis hard limit gap. Unplug the antenna. X-axis motor. Y-axis motor. Laser module. X-axis hard limit. Fan cable. Emergency stop. Door switch. Y-axis hard limit. Connect the new motherboard to the machine cable. Emergency stop. Fan cable. Door switch. Y-axis hard limit. Connect the new motherboard and combo cable. X-axis motor. Y-axis motor. Laser module. X-axis hard limit. Connect the antenna to the motherboard. Place the cables and motherboard into the front beam through the gap in the Y-axis hard limit. The Type-C and power on the front of the front beam should be aligned with the motherboard sockets. Secure the motherboard with screws. Install the front beam cover. Finally, install the acrylic cover base.